Hello friends, welcome to Pebbles and welcome to my class of 5th standard mathematics. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं the comparison of the fractions. Comparison of the fraction मतलब कौन सा fraction बड़ा है. अगर दो fractions दिए हुए हैं तो उसमें से कौन सा छोटा है कौन सा बड़ा है या फिर दोनों same है, that we have to decide. Now here we have three types. The first type is the like fractions जहां पे denominator common है. Second case is denominator is different but the numerator is same. And the third type is they are unlike fractions मतलब denominator भी अलग है numerator भी अलग है. Okay, now let us see first. We will see the first case where numerator same. Okay, so let us take 2 3 or let us take two fractions where the numerator is common. Okay, so I'll take 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. Okay, now let us consider. You have to decide which one is smaller or bigger or both are same. Of course both are not same, as you can see here. What do you mean by this? If I got one cake, one same cake I have, in the first case I will divide this cake into 3 parts and take 2 parts. In the second case I will divide this cake into 5 parts and will take 2 parts. But every time this number will change. And suppose this is 1 upon 15 and 1 upon 17, then how you will decide? Even if you divide the cake in 17 parts, easily you will not able to judge it. So we will remember this, how to solve this mathematically by some trick. Okay, now always remember, I will show you three statements, 3 short formulas I will show you. Okay, those are not a mathematical formula as such, those are the tricks to remember this. Okay, first I will write, this is Sn, same numerator. When the numerator is same, the number whose denominator is big, that fraction is small. Opposite. Okay, so I will write denominator is big, fraction is small. Okay, for example, in this case you can remember like this: SNDS condition. Sn same numerator, denominator big, first is the bigger number, so the fraction is small. So in this case, this is the Sn case, same numerator, so this denominator is big, so this number is a smaller number, this fraction is smaller than this. And how will I write this? I will write this by this sign. So this fraction is small. Now from my childhood I used to always confuse in this sign, whether to write like this or this. My teacher used to teach me that when this sign is there, on the left hand side should be the bigger, on the right hand side should be the smaller. When this side is there, on the right hand side it should be the bigger, and left hand side it should be the smaller. It was so confusing. And the same, the generation has not, though the generation has changed, these mistakes has not changed. These are still there. Many students, while writing the sign in between, always get confused whether to write this sign or this sign. So here I'll show you, I'll tell you very easy trick, that what is the distance between the 2 points. This is the bigger gap and here is no gap at all, small gap. So the small number will come to the small gap and big number will come to the big gap. So here the number is small, so the small gap is there. There is no gap at all, small point, 1 point. Or you can remember like this, here is only 1 point and here are 2 points. So 2 is the bigger, 1 is smaller. So this one point will always point towards the smaller number. So this is small. Okay. Now let us take the another case where we have got the denominator same. So my second case is denominator same. Okay, we'll take one example, that is 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. Now in this case the denominator is same, so I will name it as a SD. And in this case, if the denominator of two fractions are same, then the bigger numerator means bigger fraction. So the here numerator is bigger, so the fraction is bigger. Here when the same numerator, denominator is bigger, the number fraction whose denominator is bigger, the number is smaller. And same denominator, here I am denoting the bigger. The numerator, which numerator is bigger, you have to decide, that number is big. So Sn and Ds and Sd and Nb. Again I am telling you, whenever the same numerators are there, the number, the fraction whose denominator is bigger is a smaller number. And when the denominator is same, the number whose numerator is bigger is a bigger number. Here it is not reverse, here it is reverse. Denominator big, number small. Numerator big, number big. Okay, so here I will write the sign. Now in this case, which is the bigger number? Denominator is common or same. So which numerator is big? This. So this fraction is big. So I will make 2 points towards it and I will give this sign. This number is a bigger number. Okay. This is very easy. This is very easy to decide because you don't need any other steps for this. Okay. Just whenever the numerator or denominator are same, you don't need any other step. Just by visually you can judge. You have to just see which is the bigger number. That's all. Maybe in the numerator or in denominator, wherever it is. The problem comes when there are the unlike fractions. Now see, in this case also these are the unlike fractions. Denominators are different, but numerator is same. But what you will do whenever in fractions that numerator and denominator both are different, in that case what you will do? It is very simple. First convert them to the like fractions and then decide. You know how to convert them. That means here let us take the same example. Let us take the same example. First this is an unlike fraction. First we will convert this fraction to the like fraction, means the denominator is same, and then we will apply this rule and then we will see whether we get the same answer or not. So we have the third case where the numerator and denominator are different. Okay. So let us take the same example. 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 5. These are unlike fractions. I will make them a like fraction. So 5 3s are 15 and 3 5s are 15. So 15 is a number. Both the numbers are common multiple of 15. So here 3 into 5 and here 5 into 3. So 2 into 5 and 2 into 3. So we have got equivalent fractions are 10 upon 15 and 6 upon 15. So now let us apply this rule. If the denominator is same, the numerator is big, the fraction is big. In this case, the numerator 10 is bigger number, so this fraction is bigger. And this is the same answer as this, because 2 by 3 and 10 by 15 are the equivalent fractions. So we have got the same answer. So whenever you have got the unlike fractions, or maybe the case where numerator denominator both are not same, so in that case either you make numerator common or you make the denominator common. By doing this, you will get, or you will convert that problem to either this problem or this problem. Okay, so here at least we had a numerator same, but the fractions can be like this: 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. So here not a numerator are common, not a denominators are common. So either you make the denominator common or you make the numerator common, convert them, and after that you apply one of these two rules and you will get the answer. So this was very simple. Okay, you have to just remember these two things. Again we will revise this. Same numerator, big denominator, smaller number or smaller fraction. Same denominator, big number, big fraction. Okay, big numerator, here I am taking the numerator is big, means the first two are for the what kind of example this is. This is the same numerator. Then I have given here which is the bigger one. Denominator big, fraction small. Numerator big, fraction big. If you remember this, you will never miss any example in the fractions. Okay, so again I am telling you there are three types. First is the same numerator, second is the same denominator, third where the numerator or denominator are not same. So let us solve few examples on the comparison of the fractions. ठीक है, मैंने आपको रूल्स तो बता दिए. जब न्यूमरेटर सेम हो, दो न्यूमरेटर्स जब सेम हो, तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो फ्रैक्शन बड़ा, और जब डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो तो जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा. ठीक है, तो द फर्स्ट इज वेरी इजी. 3 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Which sign will come here? It's very easy. You will have the equal to sign. Very simple. Now here 3 upon 8, 2 upon 8. यहाँ पे कैसा है? डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो डिनोमिनेटर जब सेम हो तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो बड़ा. राइट, तो यहां पे कौन सी साइन आएगी? दिस साइन, बिकॉज इसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा है. थर्ड एग्जांपल, अगेन द डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम, तो जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो बड़ा. So I will give, this will be the sign here. You remember the two rules I told you. Now here, अब यहाँ पे these are unlike fractions. यहाँ पे numerator denominator कुछ भी same नहीं है. For example 30, the 15 is also multiple of 30. I will multiply this fraction both by 2 to make it equivalent fraction, that is 10 upon 30. So this number is nothing but multiply by 2 on numerator and denominator, it is 10 by 30, and here it is also 10 by 30. So my sign will be equal to sign because both the numbers are same. Let us come to the fifth one. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? Numerator is same. When the numerator is same, जिसका denominator बड़ा है वो छोटा. ओके, न्यूमरेटर सेम, ये डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा है, मतलब ये नंबर छोटा है, सो आई विल हैव दिस साइन. ओके, in case of this, numerator is same, so the bigger denominator, smaller the number. Okay, so this number is small because its denominator is big. 7th, now the numerator is same, 10 is a common, again same, so जिसका denominator बड़ा है वो छोटा. In this case, same, numerator is same, so the bigger denominator is a smaller fraction. 9th, now here numerator and denominator कुछ भी same नहीं है यहाँ पर, unlike fractions, so I have to match them, correct? So here 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. So 6 is also multiple of 24. 6 4s are 24. So I can make this, I have to multiply this by 4. So here I'll have 20 and 24, and here 8 3s are 24. So I'll have 3 and 24. Now my denominators are same. So जो numerator बड़ा है वो number भी बड़ा है. So my answer is this. Okay. Now here just remember, मैंने इस step को मैंने direct किया है. Correct? This step I have done directly, but you should not do this step directly. Okay? यहाँ पे मैं आपको concept समझा रहा हूँ और कैसे करना है उसको समझा रहा हूँ. इसलिए मैंने ये सब steps directly लिख दिए. But how you will write that? The next step you will write 5 into 4 upon 6 into 4 and 1 into 3 upon 8 into 3. The next step it will be 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. And since the denominator are same, you can write that as a statement. Since the denominator is same, the numerator, the bigger numerator will be the bigger fraction. So this is the case. Now here, अब यहाँ पे आप देखिए 12 can be the common because both are the multi, 6 is also multiple of 12. So this you have to do nothing, but here you have to multiply by 2. So I will get 5 upon 12 and 1 into 2, that is 2 upon 6 into 2 is 12. I have multiplied denominator and numerator with 2 so that I got the like fractions, and now the denominator is same, so bigger the numerator, the number is bigger, the fraction is bigger, so I got this sign and hence this sign. In answer you should not write this, the answer is this. I told you that you have to write the answer again. Answer is so and so. So in answer you should write this pair and not this pair. This you have found out, or you have converted, you have found a equivalent fraction for your convenience. Okay, for your convenience you have found out. In this case, now here 7 2s are 14 and 8 2s are 16. So you can match the numerator also, denominator also. Okay, you have to multiply this number by 2. So here I got 14 upon 16 and here also 14 upon 16. There is no change in this. So what sign will come in between? Equal to sign. Okay, now here 4 by 9, 4 by 9. I don't understand why these foolish questions they ask. Equal to sign. Though I say why they ask the foolish question, but I have seen the papers, some papers where they have missed this answer also. The students have given the wrong sign here also. When they see 4 by 9, 4 by 9, still some students have given the wrong answers. Okay, that is why such a foolish questions are asked. Now in this case 18, so 18 can be the common number, so 9 into 2, so I got another pair 5 upon 18, and I'll multiply both the sides by 2, that is 2 upon 18. So denominator is same, so bigger numerator is the bigger number, and this sign. In this case all numbers are different, so but I can see that 2 and 4 pair is there, 2 2s are 4, so we will make here numerator same, so I have to multiply this fraction numerator denominator by 2, so I'll have 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 4 and 7. In this case numerator common numerator, so bigger the denominator, smaller the number. If the denominator is big, the number is small. So I got this. Don't forget that this is your answer, not this. Though the sign is same, but to write down, you have to write the answer here. This can be a rough work or fair work depending on how many marks question it is. Okay. Let us see the 15th example. 3 upon 7, 5 by 9. Okay. Here I can see 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, then 9 threes are 27, even not multiplied by 7. So better I will make the numerator common, because I know that 15 is a common number. So to get the 15 as a common, I have to multiply it by 5. 3 5s are 15, 7 5s are 35. And here to make a 15, I have to multiply by 3. 5 3s are 15 and 9 3s are 27. Now when the numerator is same, bigger the denominator, smaller the number. So this number is small. And the last stage is this. Now here if you want to make the denominator same, then you have to multiply by 5, because 55 is both the numbers are multiplier of 55. But here making this 4 is very simple. Okay, so I got 4 by 11, and here I will multiply both the side by 4, so 4 by 20. When the numerator is same, bigger the denominator, smaller the number. So I will have this sign. This number is small because denominator is big. So I think we have seen the enough examples, 16 examples we have seen about the comparing the numbers. This is also important. I'll tell you in fact कि fraction itself बहुत ही important chapter है, और आपको ये chapter बहुत seriously करना है, क्योंकि आपका इंजीनियरिंग तक या पूरे लाइफ का जो अलजेब्रा जो है या ज्योमेट्री है, या फिर आप फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स कहीं भी जाओ, जहाँ जहाँ एग्जाम्पल्स आएंगे वहाँ फ्रैक्शंस तो आएंगे ही आएंगे, और आपको फ्रैक्शंस से आपका पाला पड़ेगा ही. तो फ्रैक्शंस बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर लो, इसके जितने ज़्यादा हो सके आप एग्जाम्पल्स सॉल्व कर लो, क्योंकि आगे जाके कोई भी आपको बेसिक बताने वाला नहीं है. जैसे हम लोगों ने इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन किया था, इसलिए मैंने आपको ये स्टेप मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दी. आप जब एग्जाम में लिखोगे तब आप उस स्टेप को डायरेक्ट मत लिखना. ओके, मैं एक मैं आपको करके दिखाता हूं. हमने ये पहले किया था, इसलिए ये स्टेप मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दी. लेकिन आप अपने एग्जाम में या नोटबुक्स में इस स्टेप को डायरेक्टली मत लिखना. यू सॉल्व इट प्रॉपरली. लाइक आई विल सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम अगेन. 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 8, and you are making the denominator common. So you show this this implies that you have to multiply by 4. So 6 into 4, 5 into 4, and here you have multiplied by 3. So 1 into 3, 8 into 3. This implies that 20 upon 24 and 3 upon 24. And you write the statement for the, I will write that for same denominator, I will not write denominator and numerator, you write that, I will just write D. For same denominator, higher the numerator, bigger fraction. For same denominator, higher the numerator, bigger the fraction. Hence 20 upon 24, 3 upon 24, and hence I will write the final answer 5 upon 6, 1 upon 8. This can be your complete way of writing, style of writing. Okay, this you can write in one line or more elaborately. For the same denominator, higher the numerator, higher the number in the numerator, bigger is the fraction. And then you show this, and final answer is this. Final answer should always be like this. But here, since these steps are very simple, we have solved so many examples. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हमने इसके सॉल्व किए हैं कि इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस कैसे निकालते हैं. ओके, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे वो स्टेप्स ड्रॉप कर दिए, लेकिन आप ड्रॉप मत करना. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि मैं आपसे कंसेप्ट डिस्कस करूँगा, कैसे सॉल्व करना है मैं डिस्कस करूँगा. हर एक एग्जाम्पल के बाद आप वीडियो को पॉज करेंगे और उसे सॉल्व करेंगे, और बाद में मेरे आंसर से आप उसको चेक करेंगे. ठीक है, हर चीज़ किसी की कॉपी करना छोड़ दो. आप अगर किसी को कॉपी करोगे तो एग्जाम में वो आदमी, वो लड़का आपका पेपर लिखने के लिए आने वाला नहीं. वहां आपको खुद को करना है. तो अभी से शुरू करो और सारे के सारे सम्स विदाउट कॉपिंग खुद करो. इसीलिए मैंने यहां पर वो शॉर्टकट लिए हैं, लेकिन आपको ये शॉर्ट में करना नहीं है, आपको ऐसे आराम से करना है. बिकॉज अब फॉर द लेवल ऑफ 5th स्टैंडर्ड दिस इज व्हाट एक्सपेक्टेड. टीचर वांट टू नो कि आपको ये कंसेप्ट समझी है या नहीं समझी है. ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपका आंसर गलत हो गया तो 100% आपकी कंसेप्ट गलत ही है. लेकिन कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि गलती से आपको सब कुछ पता है, आपको ये भी पता है, और गलती से आप रॉन्ग साइन लिख देते हो. तो एट दैट टाइम इन द स्कूल टीचर्स विल सी दिस. इफ शी कम्स टू नो दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग बट दिस इज योर मिस्टेक, तो टीचर शायद छोड़ देगी, आधा मार्क कट करेगी यहाँ पर. लेकिन कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आपको कोई नहीं बख्शेगा. अगर आंसर गलत, सब गलत, खत्म. कितना भी आपका ये सारी कंसेप्ट सही हो, अगर आपने आंसर गलत लिख दिया तो आपको उस सम के लिए 0 मार्क्स मिलने वाले हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में. इसके लिए मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि भले मैथमेटिक्स में कुछ बाय हार्ट नहीं करना पड़ता है, जो होता है वो जो दिखता है वही होता है वगैरह वगैरह, फिर भी आपको आपका जो अटेंशन है वो फर्स्ट स्टेप से लेके लास्ट स्टेप तक, आंसर तक आपका ध्यान पूरा वहीं होना चाहिए. अगर नज़र हटी तो दुर्घटना घटी और वो सम तो गया आपका. तो इसीलिए मैं बार बार यही कह रहा हूँ कि ये जो सम्स है उसको खुद सॉल्व कीजिए और आंसर चेक कीजिए उसको, लेकिन खुद सॉल्व कीजिए. क्योंकि जब मैं ये शॉर्टकट लेता हूँ तब मैं ये कहता हूँ कि यहाँ मैंने क्या किया है, तो उसी वक्त आपको आपका वीडियो पॉज करना है और वो सम खुद सॉल्व करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर बीइंग विथ मी इन दिस क्लास. थोड़ा सा लंबा सेशन था ये, क्योंकि एग्जाम्पल्स थोड़े क्रिटिकल है, हमें कुछ स्टेप्स में करना है उसको. बट आई होप यू हैव सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड you have pressed the bell icon also. In my next videos we will start with some different topics, maybe in fraction itself हमें addition subtraction लेनी है. We'll start with that. Thank you very much for being with me in this video. We will meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye.